celebrate my most beautiful, multi-talented superwoman Amma, Akhila's 40th birthday. She is the most adorable and caring daughter, smart and cute niece, fun-loving cousin, the most supportive and loving wife, most caring, loving and accommodating Mataponnu, who is more of a ponnu, fun sister-in-law, an aunt and a poet, writer, singer, a professional and more than anything, world's best Amma. My Amma is awesome super Amma. Let's start the celebration with our biggest family secret, followed by a song of my little sister and many exciting videos.
Dad thinks he's the boss, but
The little index finger is the real boss.
Happy birthday, Akhila!
Happy birthday, Mama!
Happy birthday, Aki Mami. Here is a happy birthday song in Sanskrit. Here we go. Janmadinamidam ai priya sakhe shantanotu te sarvada mudam pratayamahe bhavashatayushi Ishwara Sata Tvam Sharakshatu Punya Karmana Kirti Majaya Jivanam Tava Bhavatu Sartakam Janmadinamidam Ai Priya Sakhe Shantanotu Te Sarvada Sarvadamudam Sarvadamudam Happy birthday, Kaboom!
Happy birthday, Aki! Have a lovely year!
Happy 40th birthday, Akhila. Have a lovely year ahead and enjoy.
Happy 40th birthday!
मेरे घर आई एक नन्ही परी, एक नन्ही परी.
Hello Akhila.
Happy birthday to you.
To you. Our Ashirvadams to Akhila, Karthik, Hansini. We wish you a very, very happy, healthy and prosperous long life.
I wish you a very, very happy 40th birthday.
உனக்கும் கார்த்திக்குக்கும் ஹன்சினிக்கும் எங்களோட ஆசீர்வாதங்கள். நீங்கள் எல்லாரும் சௌக்கியமா சந்தோஷமா ஆரோக்கியத்தோட இருக்கணும்னு நாங்கள் பகவானை பிரார்த்திக்கிறோம்.
Once more, our best wishes and blessings.
Very many happy returns of the day, Akhila. From Tichu, Radha Tai, Usha Atanga and Ramani Atibar.
Happy birthday,
Akhila. Many, many happy returns of the day, Akhila.
Many, many happy returns of the day.
Hi Akhila, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Akhila. Happy birthday, Akhila.
Happy birthday, Akhila. Happy birthday.
Many, many happy returns of the day. நாங்கள் டெல்லிக்கு வந்தப்போ நீ சின்ன குட்டி பொண்ணாக இருந்தாய், 5ஆம் கிளாஸ் படிக்கிற பொண்ணு. இப்போ பெரியவளாய். Now you are going to be 40 and many, many more happy returns of the day. Okay.
Bye.
Our blessings and best wishes to you. Okay.
फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है, 1000 में मेरी बहना है, सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है.
Hi Akka. Many happy returns of the day. Have a great year ahead and always keep rocking.
ഹാപ്പി ബർത്ത്ഡേ ഡിയർ അഖില. അഖില കുട്ടിക്ക് 40 years ആ പോகிறதுன்னு വിശ്വസിക്കவே പറ്റില്ല. എനിക്ക് ഇപ്പോഴും എനിക്ക് അത് ചിന്ന കുഞ്ച് അഖിലാത്താൻ ഓർമ്മ വരും. മാമ മാമിയും എപ്പോഴും എല്ലാ വർഷവും വരുക. മാമാക്ക് വെളിയിലായിരുന്ന വേല, ചെന്നൈയിലിരുന്നാ, പിന്നെ ഡൽഹിയിലിരുന്നാ, കാൺപൂരിലിരുന്നാ. മാമി എസ്പെഷ്യലി കാൺപൂരിൽ ഇരിക്കത്തേക്കെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഐ തിങ്ക് അവൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് സ്റ്റാൻഡേർഡ് ആണോ പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടാ. എപ്പോഴും മാമി എന്നാതൊരു ഗിഫ്റ്റ് ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് എന്നാ കൊണ്ടുവരിക. അപ്പോൾ ഞങ്ങൾ മാമി ഓർത്ത് ഞങ്ങൾ എപ്പോഴും ഭയങ്കര ആൻറ്റിസിപ്പേറ്റ് പണിയുണ്ട്. ഓ മാമി എന്നാ കൊണ്ടുവരുക വലിയിട്ട് അവിടെ ഇതായിരിക്കും ഞങ്ങൾ. അപ്പോൾ അന്തൊക്കെ ഒരു ഒക്കെ വന്നോണ ഞാനിപ്പോൾ ഡിഗ്രിയൊക്കെ പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടേ. ഫസ്റ്റ് ഇയറോ എന്നോ ആക്കും. ഇവൾ കുഞ്ചു കുഴന്ത ഇവൾ വന്ന് ഞാൻ ഈ സിഡ്നി ഷെൽഡറിനോടുള്ള ബുക്ക് വായിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടേ. സിഡ്നി ഷെൽഡൻ ആകുമ്പോൾ അപ്പോൾ அந்த ലൈബ്രറിയിലേന്ന് എടുത്ത് ബുക്കെല്ലാം എടുത്ത് വായിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടേനാണ്. അന്തൊരു ഏജ് ആയിരുന്നു എന്നോട്. ഇവൾ കൂളാ വന്ന് 1ാം ക്ലാസ് കുഴന്ത സുഗമ്മ എടുത്ത് അത് 1-2 പേജ് കൂളാ വായിച്ച. അപ്പോഴേ എങ്ങൾക്ക് തെരിയുമായിരുന്നു ഇവൾ ഭയങ്കര ഒരു ഹൈറ്റിലെത്തവൾ. അതേമാതിരി ഇപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് പിന്നാടി ഇത്ര എക്സൽ വണ്ട ഒരു പോയറ്റും ഒരു റൈറ്ററും എല്ലാം ആയിട്ടൊക്കെ മാറാം. അതേമാതിരി അവളോട് കുഴന്തയും ലിറ്റിൽ സ്വാനും അവളെ മാതിരിയെ വന്നിട്ടിരിക്ക. ഓൾ ദ വെരി ബെസ്റ്റ് യു കണ്ണ. അവനോട് എല്ലാം ആഗ്രഹങ്ങളും സഫലമാവട്ടും. ഓക്കെ, ടേക്ക് കെയർ. ഓൾ ദ വെരി ബെസ്റ്റ്. ഹാപ്പി ബർത്ത്ഡേ വൺസ് അഗൈൻ. ഓക്കെ ഡൗട്ട.
Birthday Akhila, wish you a happy, prosperous, healthy year ahead.
Happy birthday Akhila. God bless you.
Happy 40th birthday Akhila, and wish you many more years of poetry and writing.
Happy birthday Akhila ka. Hope you have a special fun day.
Happy birthday, Akhila.
Akhila Attai.
Akhila Attai. Hope you have a great 40th birthday.
Anima, can you say happy birthday Akhila Attai?
Say happy birthday.
Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Akhila.
Happy birthday, Akhila. Wish you a very happy 40th birthday. May all your dreams, wishes come true this year. I still remember the great times me, you and Shankar had in Palakkad. All those summer holidays we spent time in Palakkad. All those great memories we built. But I do have a special message for you.
Message.
And it is not from me, it is from another person. MD, Gom, Dog. Watch your back in the night and see who's in front of you when it's dark. With those red eyes, who swallows gulps and gulps of food without chewing.
Many happy returns of the day, Akhila. We love you and God bless you.
Happy birthday to you, Akhila. God bless you.
Many happy returns of the day, dear Akhila. May God bless you.
Hello Akhila, this is Ramesh and Kavita. Happy birthday, wishes to you and your family.
Hi Akhila, Kavita here. Many happy returns of the day. Have a very joyful birthday. See you.
Hi Akhila, wish you a wonderful 40th birthday. We can tell you from experience, life gets a whole lot better from here on out, more exciting. So you have a lot to look forward to, okay? So it's a good stage in life.
And we also want to tell you, we are all so proud of you for all your accomplishments and your poetic and artistic prowess, and for raising an intelligent and talented daughter together with your husband. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday
Akhila.
again.
Have a
Hi Akhila ka, happy 40th birthday. May your life be as smiling as always you are. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Hey Akhila, God bless you and your family.
Happy birthday to you, Akhila.
God bless you.
Happy birthday, Akhila. Congratulations on your 40th birthday. May God bless you with lots of happiness, love, blessings from all of us here. I'm just singing a song, my favorite, Close to You by the Carpenters. Why do birds suddenly appear every time you are near? Just like me, they long to be close to you. Why do stars fall down from the sky every time you walk by? Just like me, they long to be close to you. On the day that you were born, the angels got together and decided to create a dream come true. So they sprinkled moon dust in your hair of gold and starlight in your eyes of blue. That is why all the girls in town follow you all around. Just like me, they long to be close to you. Once again, happy birthday, Akhila. No words to express my love for you. You are special for everyone, for all of us. Congratulations. On the day that you were born, the angels got together and decided to create a dream come true. So they sprinkled moon dust in your hair of gold and starlight in your eyes of blue. That is why all the girls in town follow you all around. Just like me, they long to be close to you. Just like me, they long to be close to you. Close to you. Close to you. Akhila. Close to you. Close to you. Thank you. Thank you so much, Kalpana, for this beautiful and lovely invite. Extremely sorry I couldn't send you this on time, but thank you so much. Thank you once again, all Akhila. All the blessings from all of us here, from all the family members, Chalamatay, at Timber, Ramesh and family, myself, here at Timber, Lalita and family, from all of us. Thank you. Take care.
Dear gifted, artistic, talented, skillful, accomplished Akhila,
we wish you a very happy birthday today and a fulfilling and happy future.
We have known you from the time you were a little girl learning to ride a bike.
Today, you have shown us what you are capable of in building your family and your relationships.
Your pleasant disposition and composure are a treat to watch.
We have enjoyed your hospitality and kindness on several occasions.
From the depths of our heart, we wish you well.
Happy birthday again, Akhila. Have a wonderful day and fantastic times ahead.
Chupudi chupudi chachi, chupudi chupudi chachi.
Hey Akhila Shruti, many more happy returns of the day. I hope you have an amazing year ahead.
Hi Akhila Shruti, many more happy returns of the day. I'll never forget all of the treasure hunts that you organized for Ajay and I when we were growing up. Hope you have an amazing year and get all the happiness and joy that you want. Once again, happy birthday.
Hi Akhila Ka, you're turning 40 and if you're hoping that no one would notice it, you are so wrong. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Akhila Ka. Have a great year.
Happy birthday, Akhila.
Happy birthday, Akhila. Many happy returns of the day. Hope you have a wonderful time celebrating your 40th birthday and we hope to see you again sometime soon.
Hi Akhila Ka. Wish you a very happy birthday. May God bless you with good health, prosperity and success in your future endeavors. Bye.
Dear Akhila, a very, very happy birthday to you. I am Anu, Akhila's friend, who's been with her for since childhood. 3rd standard is what the earliest I remember. My earliest memories about you are our walks to the Pata class in the opposite, across the road, where we used to go 3 times a week. And how even though I used to hate it, we managed to do quite a lot till 10th standard. I also remember that you had this gift of poetry right from 3rd standard, because when we were all given an assignment, you were the only person who was genuinely interested in writing poetry. And I definitely remember our 10th standard maths tuition classes and the New Year party, the grand New Year party that we had on 4th floor. Wow, those were the days. And then from Delhi, we all got transferred, your father, my father got transferred to Chennai. But more than that, I actually remember the flight that we took to Chennai and the fun that we had all during the journey. It was definitely, I was very lucky actually. I still remember Smita and Sadaf saying that you're lucky, you at least have Akhila with you. Because we got dispersed off like a pack of cards, you know, in different directions. But I always had you, I always had a friend with me even when I was migrating to a new place. And from close friends, we ultimately we advanced on to become schoolmates. We even became benchmates. And we were always the first benchers, usually always the first benchers. And that's when I realized that actually being of first bench actually means that the teacher hardly notices you. Because the teacher takes the class and stands towards the 2nd or the 3rd row, and the first benchers are left to their own devices. And I still remember that I used to wonder out aloud as to how much of calligraphy skills Akhila has. She used to have these intricate drawings she used to make on Uma Devi madam's sari pallu. And I still wonder whether madam realized who did all that on her saris when she went home and washed them. All the beautiful designs that were there on her sari pallu in our 11th and 12th standard. I also remember our crazy van rides as we were going to and from school. God, I wonder how we managed all that. And I remember drenching in the cyclone completely, you, me and my brother Vivek, and we got completely drenched and we came, wading through knee-high waters. And above all, I also remember us sleeping on the scooter after returning from Sundareshan sir's physics class early mornings in 11th and 12th. But the maximum I remember about you is that you were always the energetic one, the busybody, the one who had a special and a kind word for everyone. You were always the sort of a connect for a wider group in our DAV girls. Be it our own small North Indian gang, or we had our mixture with that of Harini and others, Sri Lakshmi and all. You were always the one who was the bridge for me to communicate with them. Finally, I had to shift after my 12th. I had to shift to Trivandrum when I joined Trivandrum Medical College. But I remember the long letters that I used to write to you, and how much we even used to share even in those times. I remember how much time and effort you actually spent to come to my marriage, and even later on through our long phone calls that we had. Thank you, Akhila, for being a very big part of my life. Thank you for being a very close and good friend, and a cherished friend at that. Thank you for being with me all these years, and I again wish you a very happy birthday.
हाय अकी, हैप्पी बर्थडे, होप यू हैविंग अ वंडरफुल डे। तो आज सोचा भाई कि हमारी फ्रेंडशिप को 25 इयर्स तो हो चुके हैं, तो कुछ सेलिब्रेशन होना चाहिए। आपकी बर्थडे है तो चलो कुछ तो किया जाए स्पेशल। तो आई केम अप विद दिस लिटिल पैरोडी सॉन्ग, पूरा नहीं कर पाई हूँ। तो ये जो सॉन्ग है ये इंस्पायर्ड है, इट्स अ पैरोडी एज आई सेड of the Little Mermaid song, Under the Sea song। ऐसे लिटिल मरमेड की जो आंखें हैं वो भी शरारत से भरी हैं और उसकी स्माइल भी कुछ वैसी है, बिल्कुल तेरे जैसी। तो ये जो सॉन्ग है that is dedicated to you on your birthday। It's not a complete song, thank God, it's just like 4 lines or so, and here it goes. Under 50, your body is aging, a little bit of aching. What am I singing, darling? Believe me, you're going to have an awesome under 50. Happy birthday to you. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.
Hi, Aki. Many happy returns of the day to you. Hope you're having a blast. We have known each other for so long. And if you really have to count, maybe more than 3/4 of our lives, we have known each other, and we have built those memories together, memories of our childhood, the holidays, the playtime, IFCI, and the best of all was the Shimla trip which we went together. So there's so many stories we share, but when I really had to put them in words today, really I was quite speechless and overwhelmed. So what I did was I wrote a little something for you, and for the special friendship that we share. Here it goes. वो बचपन के दिन याद आते हैं, खुशी के आंसू दे जाते हैं, साथ लड़कपन बिताई हमने, मिलकर कई सपने सजाई हमने, रूठना मनाना, वो कहानियाँ बनाना, कंबाइंड स्टडीज़ के नाम पे गपशप लड़ाना, हंसना हंसाना, नाचना गाना, हर दिवाली, ईद और क्रिसमस पे मस्ती करना। वो बचपन के दिन याद आते हैं, खुशी के आंसू दे जाते हैं। Thank you. So many happy returns once again to you. Happy birthday, dear. Sending loads of love and hugs your way. Have a long, healthy, prosperous and happy life. Bye.
Hey Akila, happy birthday to you. I know you're turning 40. It's a huge milestone. And on this milestone, I would like to wish you the very best of health, wealth and happiness in all your life. You know, every once in a while I open up the photo album from our childhood from Kanpur and relive those memories of us being teeny tiny kids. I'm sure those days were a lot of fun. I'm sad though that we've not been able to keep in regular touch, not spoken often enough. Hopefully we'll meet soon. Until then, keep smiling, take care, happy birthday again, bye.
Happy birthday, Akila. May God bless you with a lot of happiness, peace and prosperity. Wonderful years ahead.
Hi Akila, wish you very happy 40th birthday. நீ இந்த பர்த்டேலேருந்து ஒரு அன்டிபேட்டபிள் அத்தன்டிகேட்டட் ஆண்டி ஆகிட்ட, அதுக்கு என்னோட பிளெஸ்ஸிங்ஸ். ஓகே, ஸோ எனிவே விஷ் யூ a very happy birthday Akila. Akila, I have been knowing her for from CS days. Best friend, ஓகேவா? ஸோ எல்லா டைம்லேயும் டிஃபிகல்ட் டைம்ஸ், ஹாப்பி மூமெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாத்துலேயுமே she has there been with me, and even now in fact சொல்ல போனோன்னா she is like mother for lot of her friends. ஏதாவது ஒரு இதுவாக இருந்தால் கூட ஓப்பனாக யார்கிட்டயாவது சொல்லணும், ஏதாவது ரொம்ப கன்ஃபியூஷனாக இருக்குது மைண்டில் அப்படின்னா யூ வில் ஹாவ் டு கால் ஹர். அண்ட் அந்த ஒரு 15-20 மினிட்ஸ் பேசினோடனே யூ வில் பி வெரி கிளியர், ஓகே நெக்ஸ்ட் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்னு. ஐ எம் ஆல்சோ லைக் ரீச்சிங் தட் ஏஜ், பட் ஆனாலும் இட்ஸ் ஓகே. ஐ திங்க் வாட் எவர் பி த ஏஜ், 50 ஆனாலும் சரி 60 ஆனாலும் சரி, ஐ வில் கண்டினியூ டு ஓகே லுக் ஃபார் தட் மதர் இன் Akila. ஸோ wish you all a very happy birthday Akila. ஒரு ஹாப்பி ஒரு மெமரபிள் இன்சிடென்ட் சொல்லணுன்னா நிறைய இருக்குது, பட் ஆனால் சம்திங் எனக்கு டக்குன்னு ஞாபகம் வந்தது. என்னென்னா, ஒரு ப்ராஜெக்டில் ஒர்க் பண்ணிகிட்டு இருந்தோம். அப்போ அப்போ ஒரு பையன் இருந்தான். அப்போ அவன் என்ன பண்ணான்னா, அவனுக்கும் அகிலாவுக்கும் கொஞ்சம் இந்த ஆர்கியூமெண்ட்ஸ் அது மாதிரிலாம் அப்படி ஓடிட்டு இருந்தது. அப்போ அகிலாவோட ஃபிகர் ஆஃப் ஸ்பீச்லாம் என்ன சொல்லிட்டா, ஒரு நிமிஷம் இருப்பா ஏதோ சொன்னா, எனக்கு எக்ஸாக்டாக ஞாபகம் இல்லை, பட் ஆனால் அவள் ஒரு நிமிஷம் இருப்பா அப்படின்னு எதோ சொன்னான். அந்த பையன் நான் ஒன்றும் உனக்கு அப்பா இல்லை அப்படின்னு அது மாதிரி தோஸ் கைண்ட் ஆஃப் கான்வர்சேஷன்ஸ் டக்குன்னு அப்படியே மூஞ்சி அடிச்ச மாதிரி பேசி, ஐயோ இவ ஏன்டா இப்படி பேசாலே அப்படிலாம் நான் யோசிப்பேன். ஆனால் தட் இஸ் வாட் ஷி இஸ், அண்ட் தட் இஸ் அ ட்ரூ ஃப்ரெண்ட், லைக் ட்ரூ பர்சன். ஆக்சுவலாக நம்ம ஒரு ட்ரஸ்ட்வர்த்தியான ஒரு ஃப்ரெண்ட் அப்படின்னா எல்லாமே லைக் ஷி ஹஸ் பீன் தேர். ஸோ bless you Akila, wish you all success, happiness and joy, okay, in the world for you. And wish you happy birthday. Thank you Kalpana. You are very lucky to have a somebody like Akila with you. And Akila, it's great that Kalpana, our sister-in-law, is like doing this kind of things for you on your special occasion. Okay, so thank you both, and Akila, have a great day. Bye, take care. And also on behalf of GP and Dishan, they also wish you a very happy birthday. Take care, bye.
Hi Akila, wish you a very happy 40th birthday. Have a great year. Bye.
Hi Akila, wish you a very very happy birthday. God bless you with lots and lots of happiness, good health and wealth always. This is specially for you from Jyotsna. Cheers to being 40 and having fun. You are still young enough to acquire everything that you pursue. Not all candles fit on the birthday cake anymore. But remember, 40 is the new 20. Happy birthday once again.
Hi Akila, wish you many more happy returns of the day. I think the most difficult part in this video was actually selecting the location. But I just wanted to show you a little bit of Mauritius to give you a glimpse so that at some point of time you guys can come. Okay, not at some point of time, while I'm here. I'm not very sure when I'm going to leave, so make it quick. So what, you're 20? No? Okay, we wish, right? But I think that is from when I know you, when we were about 21, 22, almost 2 decades, huh? Can't believe it. And I've seen you grow, I've seen you transform at different phases, and you've only grown. And our relationship also grew. We started off as classmates, and then you literally became my elder sister, though only 3 months difference, but you were this super mature, super sincere, super, okay, all those things are there, but super fun as well. All the days in those CS classes and the time that we used to talk so much, sitting at home, at friends' place, just walking around, Mambalam, West Mambalam, fun times. I think you've always been this person who is very positive, has a very positive outlook to life, and always taken things with a smile, whatever the circumstances, whatever the situation. I think you should keep up that trait of yours and continue to add a lot of value like you have done in my life. Continue to add a lot of value like you've been doing for more and more years to come. Wish you many more happy returns once again, and have a fabulous 40th birthday. It's a naughty 40, so do something naughty and let me know what you did. Bye.
मेरे सामने वाली खिड़की में एक चांद का टुकड़ा रहता है.
Wishing you a very happy and fabulous 40th birthday. On this auspicious occasion, pray to God to shower His choicest blessings on you. May God be by your side all the time. Stay blessed. Bye.
On completion of your 40th birthday, I wish you all the best and my heartfelt blessings are with you. And I also pray God to give you a long, happy, healthy and wealthy life.
Happy birthday, Akila. More than neighbors, we are good sisters. Wish you happiest 40th birthday.
Yeah, very happy 40th birthday to Akila ka. I used to ask auntie, why do you leave for Hyderabad, asking my permission. Looking forward to see you again. Hope everybody is fine.
Happy birthday, Akila Akka. I've had many fond memories when our family was in Parvati Villa. Mom always used to tell stories about how I didn't let you in when you came home from Hyderabad. So happy 40th birthday. May God bless you.
Happy birthday, Akila. Have a wonderful day.
Hi, Aki. Happy birthday. Wish you many more happy returns of the day. Keep rocking.
Hey, Akila. Happy birthday to you. And I'm glad that we met, and it has been almost 10 years now. And the journey with you all guys have been so wonderful here. And you know what I like most about you? It's your wit and those one-liners. You say them so calmly and coolly, and the other person just keep thinking what happened just now. Keep that always with you. Love you loads and wish you all the best for the coming years.
Happy birthday, Akila.
हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर अखिला. आज का दिन आपके लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, बहुत ख़ास है. खूब अच्छे से मनाओ. और वैसे तो कवियत्री के लिए कविता लिखना बहुत ही मुश्किल काम है, फिर भी मैं आपके लिए कुछ पंक्तियाँ सुनाने जा रही हूँ. हर राह आसान हो, हर राह पे खुशियाँ, हर दिन खूबसूरत हो, ऐसा ही पूरा जीवन. ए मेरी रात वाली सुबह की दोस्त, ए मेरी रात वाली सुबह की दोस्त, उगता हुआ सूरज दुआ दे आपको, खिलता हुआ फूल खुशबू दे आपको. हम तो कुछ देने के काबिल नहीं, ऊपर वाला 1000 खुशियाँ दे आपको. जन्मदिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. हैव अ नाइस डे. एंजॉय.
Happy birthday, dear Akila, the special 40th one. Hoping your 40 will be incredibly new and exciting as your 20s. Double only, right? सुबह की वॉक हमारी चलती रहे ऑल दोज गपशप के साथ, और होप कि जो प्लान्स बनते हैं उनमें से कुछ तो इम्प्लीमेंट हो. उम्र भर दोस्ती हमारी बनी रहे. एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू प्लान आवर 40th birthday bash together. Hope to have many more vacations and great times ahead with you. Keep writing and enjoy your day. May God fulfill all your wishes, dear Akila.
Hi Akila, wish you many more happy returns of the day. ஆண்டி வீடியோ அனுப்பினோடனே ஐ வாஸ் வெரி ஹாப்பி. முன்னாடிலாம் பர்த்டேஸ்க்கு கூட இருந்தோம், அதுக்கப்புறம் ஃபோன்லேயாவது பேசியிருந்தோம். இப்போ எதுக்குமே நம்மளுக்கு டைம் இல்லை. அட்லீஸ்ட் உன்னோட 40th பர்த்டேக்கு ஐ எம் ரியலி ஹாப்பி டு பி பார்ட் ஆஃப் திஸ் செலிப்ரேஷன். I wish you all good health and happiness throughout your life. And regards to Hansini and Karthik. So once again, I wish you a very, 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 very happy birthday.
Hi, happy birthday, Akila.
ஹாய் அகிலா, பிறந்த நாள் வாழ்த்துக்கள். உன்னோட விஷஸ் எல்லாம் ஃபுல்ஃபில் ஆகணும். விஷ் யூ a very happy, peaceful and healthy life. Take care. All the best to you.
Hi Akila and family members, good day. Akila 40, so soon. Akila of 12th standard only is still flashing in our mind.
Akila, I still remember those days when I used to take you in my scooty to DAV school along with Madan whenever the bus did not turn up.
Ever smiling Akila, innately brilliant, so much talent but never you show off.
Akila, I am very happy that you are able to balance work life and also pursue your interests. Great.
Karthik, kudos to you in your support to our Akila.
தாயை போல பிள்ளை, நூலை போல சேலை. It goes a Tamil adage. Same way, Hansini the Great, you have nurtured her, you have allowed her to pursue her interests, you have shaped her, and I think Hansini may overtake you in the days to come. Be a proud mother.
Akila is soft-spoken, modest and respect values. Hats off to you. Came out of biology frame to ACS. Wow.
Pursue your goals in life. Come what may. Akila, happy birthday to you. Many more happy returns of the day. Our blessings to you today and always. Have a great day.
Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi, and a very happy birthday to you, Akila. It's so lovely that you are 40. I think when a woman is 40, she is much more into her cell and into herself. We finally settle down with all acceptance. I'm 42 and come to this side. I would like to wish you all the joy, peace, prosperity, success, everything on this way, good health, everything on this way, and enjoy this day and enjoy this year. We hope to meet a new normal when we would have our Hyderabad times and Gulf times and I don't know what other times, but we have to have a lot of fun. We owe it to each other for 2 years. And thank you for being this beautiful co-journeyer, evocative, earthy. So you are such a different person when you are a writer. And I think we all are different selves, but I have seen the difference in you as a friend, you know, your different role when you are a haiku poet, when you're writing haibun, when you're workshopping. You're so many people and so many beautiful people, and it's so nice. Please keep nurturing this beauty and your spirituality, and I love your comic timing. I would also like to say hello to Hansini and your husband and your parents and your in-laws and everyone. Akila is very special to us. She's our co-journeyer, and Paresh, everyone will agree to this. Yeah, so I can only wish you so much of happiness on 40th, because now you would not have to worry. You're going to be totally cool, if at all you are not. There is something that changes at 40. My friend had told me when I was 36 and she was 40 that something changes at 40, and I was like, what can change? What can change? And I did feel that slight imperceptible change. There's so much of deep acceptance of yourself, and you feel so much of power. It's as if a new power vault has opened in you, yeah, it's like as if life is just beginning, because I think we do away with a lot of rubbish, a lot of baggage, a lot of ifs and buts, and we just leap into the wild, deep, and I think that's what changes. So yeah, I'm so glad that Kalpana invited me to say these few little words, and have a happy lockdown-ish birthday in case you're not going out. And yeah, enjoy your golden moments. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy wala birthday, Bana. Keep enjoying, keep writing. Just keep rocking the world.
Akila, wish you a very happy birthday. Many years of good health, cheer, creativity, abundance, happiness, togetherness, and wishing all that you ever dream of to be within your grasp. And thank you for agreeing to be the book reviewer for Triveni Haikai India. It's a huge thing for us. And also, every time I asked you to take the mic and lead the session or talk before the Utsavs, you've done it so well and so willingly and so beautifully. You are a natural talker and a natural poet. Wishing you the very best.
You have the third vowel of the alphabet in the middle of your name. Let us see what happens if we replace it with the others. Whatever you do is timely and not untimely. Hence, you cannot be Akala. With Karthik, Hansi and all of us around, you can never be Akela. We won't let you be lonely, whether you are in Almora or Akola. You may be sharp, but surely you are not a shark, so you can't be Akula. We love you as you are, just as our own Akila. Have a great 40th birthday, Akila. Now, the number of your birthday has only one vowel. Let us see what happens if we replace it with the others. One dare not let you drop the T, hence let it not be furti. Lest you may add an L to it, Karthik won't have a furti. You chose to stop with Hansi, so no one can call you Ferti. You need to wait for 2 decades to get a license to be Farti. So for now, have a great birthday number 40, Akila.
Wish you happy birthday, Akila.
Many happy returns of the day, Akila.
Hi, Akila. Happy birthday.
Hi Akila, happy 40th birthday. Happy 4 decades. Yay! Hooray! Have a wonderful day.
Hi Akila, happy birthday. You are entering a brand new decade, a very significant decade, a decade where you will achieve full maturity of the mind, a decade where your career will zoom and grow at the fastest pace ever, a decade when your offspring will change rapidly from a child to a bright young lady. Have a wonderful day, month, year and decade. Happy birthday once more. Bye.
Hi Aki Papa. This is a special day for you and I have a special message for you. You entered our family as Akila and very soon you became our dear Aki Papa. it didn't take time for you to mingle with our family, immediate as well as the relatives. We never felt that it is somebody entering into our family from some other family, but we felt that we knew you from ages. That is because of you, the way you made us feel. We are fortunate to have you with us in our family, and we all love you. Many, many happy returns of the day, Aki. We love you a lot. God bless you.
Happy
birthday, Akila.
40 vayasu.
Have a great day.
Enjoy yourself for the whole day. Masti karo.
Hello, Akila. Happy birthday, 40th birthday.
Hello.
May God bless you with all happiness, health, prosperity and peace of mind. Our best regards to Karthik and Hansikutti. Love to Ansu. Amma appa ellarkum sollirukange vicharichada. We remember the days we spent with you. I still remember the time we had together in Bhutan, Kaziranga, and then Jaipur. We had a wonderful time. We really enjoyed. I remember your sweet voice singing from the last seat of the bus. All Hindi songs, Hindu, yourself, I think Kalpu. You had a nice, sweet voice. May God bless you, Akila.
Hi Akila, happy birthday. Many, many happy returns of the day. God bless you. ஹன்சினி மாதிரி ஒரு பொண்ணு கிடைக்கிறதுக்கு யூ ஆர் ஸோ லக்கி. அவ்வளோ இன்டெலிஜென்ட்டாக இருக்குது, ரொம்ப அழகாக ட்ராயிங்கும் அதுவும் பண்ணுறது. இது கொலுவெல்லாம் வச்சுருக்கிறத மாமி அவங்க அம்மா சொன்னா. இல்லை ரொம்ப நன்னா இருக்கு, ஃபேமிலி நன்னா இருக்கணும்.
The whole family is proud of Hansi's talents.
Hi Akila mummy, எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? Wishing a many more happy returns of the day mummy. நீங்க எப்பவும் ரொம்ப ஸ்வீட்டா இருந்திருக்கீங்க. நீங்க திட்டி நான் பார்த்ததே கிடையாது. And have a great day mummy.
Hi Akila mummy.
Hi Akila.
Happy birthday.
Many happy returns of the day. How was your poetry and all going? Hope all you still continuing with your poems and shairi and all that stuff. I heard that this is your 40th birthday. So welcome to the 40 batch and all the best.
Have a great day mummy.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi Akila, wishing you a very happy birthday. May God bless you with many more happy, peaceful and healthy years. Enjoy this day. This day is yours.
Hi Akila, wish you a very happy birthday. May God bless you with good health, happiness, peace and prosperity in the years to come.
Akila, wishing you a very happy birthday. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay blessed.
Many happy returns of the day, Akila. You are on the threshold of very important phase of your life. You will face many challenges. You will be overloaded with work, but your experience and maturity will come to your rescue. So, and at the end, you look back and congratulate yourself. All the best.
Dear Akila, I understand your 40th birthday falls on 11th October 2021, Monday. It's a great pleasure and privilege to bless you and greet you for a great 40th birthday. You have joined our family 15 years back, and we have enjoyed your association and binding with our family with love and affection. It has gone up many-fold after the birth of our little darling of the family, Hansini. Both mother and daughter are super intelligent, studious, courageous, affectionate, and good conversationalist. You are very good in your profession as a company secretary. We are lucky to have you as our daughter-in-law, but we consider you as another daughter in our family. You are an all-rounder and educated very well. You have great opportunities in the coming years. You have a lovely, intelligent and hardworking and caring husband, my son Karthik. We take this opportunity to wish and bless you and pray Almighty to bless for a very healthy, happy and prosperous long life. Our hearty congratulations and blessing to you again. Sukhi Bhava, Vijayi Bhava and Dirgayush Bhava. Sarva Mangala Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadhike Saranye Triyambage Gauri Narayani Namostute. Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari Om.
Hi Akila. 40 years? Really unbelievable. The summer of 1993 seems like yesterday. A 12-year-old girl along with a 12-year-old cousin sitting beside Prabha Chitti, raptly engrossed in the marriage rituals of our wedding. 40 years are really unbelievable. A proud mother of a 12-year-old, precocious 12-year-old daughter, poet, a working professional, teacher, the list is endless. Dear Akila, wishing the most wonderful niece of the world a very happy birthday. बड़े हो या छोटे, बड़े तो बड़े, बड़े हो या छोटे, बड़े तो बड़े. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Akila. Happy birthday to you.
हम रहे या ना रहे कल याद आएंगे ये पल ये है प्यार के पल. चल आ मेरे संग चल चल सोचे क्या छोटी सी है जिंदगी. कल मिल जाए तो होगी खुशनसीबी. हम रहे या ना रहे याद आएंगे ये पल. हम रहे या ना रहे कल याद आएंगे ये पल ये है प्यार के पल. चल आ मेरे संग चल चल सोचे क्या छोटी सी है जिंदगी. कल मिल जाए तो होगी खुशनसीबी.